porphyry, gazetteer, rapport, loquacious, sycophancy.
These words and more put our spellers to the test in the 2024 National Senior Spelling Bee competition. Now in its 20th staging, the competition saw 14 seniors, one from each parish, vying for the title of champion.
Spelling is something that really is about your acuity, but also it is about composure under pressure.
Seniors ages 60 to 83 spelt like they have never done before, making it a remarkable experience.
Remember that every word that you spell, every challenge you face down is a victory. And the victories can be big and the victories can be small. And that's what life is about.
The competition was hosted by the National Council for Senior Citizens in partnership with the Ministry of Labour and Social Security. The event formed part of national activities for Senior Citizens Month celebrations in September. This was how it went.
And your word is gargoyles. Gargoyles.
Gargoyles. Gargoyles.
That is correct.
Unguiculate. Unguiculate.
That is correct.
Nephology. Nepholog.
That is correct.
Then there were some words that were just, you'll see what I'm talking about.
And your word is rapprochement.
RAPPROCHMENT, rapprochement.
That is not correct. It is RAPPROCHEMENT. Stephanie Hopkins, your word, idiosyncrasies.
Idiosyncrasies. IDIOSYNCRASES.
Not correct. It's IDIOSYNCRASIES. Gallimatius.
GALLIMATIUS.
That's not correct. It is spelled GALIMATIAS.
After several rounds, it was down to the top three who gave it their all.
Kookaburra. KOOKABURRA.
Juliet. Abattoir.
Abattoir. ABATTOIR.
Correct. Jennifer. Pirouette.
PIROUETTE.
That's correct.
Then it was down to the final two, Juliet Salmon from St. Andrew and Jennifer Gordon from St. James. And after spelling several of the words correctly, it came down to that one word which declared the winner.
Jennifer. Chiaroscurist.
I can spell that word. I didn't get a paper with that.
Chiaroscurist. Chiaroscurist. CHIAROSCURIST.
That is correct. All right, that was well done. Now she gets her word. Appoggiatura. Appoggiatura.
Appoggiatura. APPOGGIATURA.
That's correct. And we have a winner here. Congratulations to Juliet Salmon, our spelling bee champion for this year. And well done to Jennifer Gordon. Well done. As a matter of fact, well done to all the spellers. But a big congratulations to Juliet Salmon.